Hey, we're going to have a look at our C major now with, in the C position, but with 2 octaves. And really, we're actually going to go and play this one with 3 octaves. I'm going to show you just how to join those together. All right, so if we start off with our open C major. All right, easy enough. 2nd octave. Okay, now notice we're really quite high up on the fretboard here. Knowing that everything repeats from that 12th fret, okay, we can actually repeat everything. So if I'm playing up in this higher octave, all right, what I've really done here is just repeated what was down on that low end. Okay, now, great thing is you can link them. So, if I run up, up to the 10th, then I'm up onto that 12th, which is part of that higher version of this scale. From there, all right, now that's that 3rd octave. So I've really run my 3rd octave all across that E string on the bottom there. But when we come back down, you can slip into this scale, all right, in that position. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just run through going all the way up and then back down into the higher position. All right, so as much as this was a 2 octave, it's really a 3 octave. Okay. All right, go over that one, play it at your own pace, just to get a feel for it. Now, what I really wanted to look at this lesson is, yes, we have our octaves there. Now we've covered from here to here, but really there's all this space in between. And if you haven't put it together yet, this is what all of these positions are for. So if I've got my C position and it's chord here, I've also then just got my A position starting from that same note, but running there, and that covers that section of the fretboard. All right, now, okay, what's after that? Well, we've got our G position, okay? So here, as you can see, that links that little area. And then from here, we've got our E position. All right, and just to tidy it off at the end, we've got our D position, which brings us into our C position to repeat again. Okay, so that is the whole fretboard covered. Now, all of these positions across the different octaves are all the same scale. All right? Now, what I want you to do is actually try joining a few of these notes. So we'll start with our C position here. Now, instead of going as I know where are my next notes here. so I could run up here. All right, now I'm in that A position. So very easy to transition between them. So if you look at that even, very easy to slip between them. So as much as we practice the positions also tell us where to nail a chord as well. Okay, so they're not just for the scale. So when you really get down to it, it all blurs across and you end up with this entire fretboard covered with C major, which is conveniently also A minor and all of the other modes there. So C, there was a good reason we used it. Have a play around and just wrap your head around moving along those scales, both up and down and back and forward. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.